Click on the link below to get price. The automatic sewing machine electric embroidery machine, featuring 158 built-in designs and a 4-inch embroidery area, presents itself as an intriguing option for both novice and experienced sewing enthusiasts. This machine aims to simplify the embroidery process while providing a variety of creative design choices. At first glance, the machine exhibits a user-friendly interface, which is essential for those who may be new to the world of sewing and embroidery. The built-in designs cover a wide range of themes, such as floral patterns, geometric shapes, and more intricate motifs, allowing users to explore their creativity without the need for additional software or purchases. The 4-inch embroidery area is adequate for small to medium-sized projects, making it suitable for personalizing items like clothing, accessories, or home decor. One of the standout features of this sewing machine is its automatic functions. These include an automatic needle threader, which can be particularly beneficial for individuals who struggle with threading needles manually. Additionally, the machine is designed to handle a variety of fabrics, from lightweight materials like cotton to heavier fabrics, accommodating different project needs. The adjustable stitch length and width further enhance versatility, enabling users to customize their sewing experience according to their preferences. Using the machine appears to be straightforward, thanks to its clear instructional manual and easy-to-navigate buttons. This simplicity may reduce the learning curve, making it more accessible for beginners. Users can quickly select their desired design and adjust settings, allowing for a smooth transition from setup to sewing. The machine's built-in memory for saving designs may appeal to those who wish to return to specific patterns for future projects. In closing, the automatic sewing machine electric embroidery machine with its 158 built-in designs and 4-inch embroidery area offers a blend of functionality and creativity. Its user-friendly features may attract both beginners eager to delve into sewing and experienced individuals looking for an efficient tool to streamline their projects. As with any sewing machine, the overall experience will depend on personal needs and expectations, but this model certainly provides a solid starting point for various embroidery endeavors.